Uganda, Umbrella is good government. It protects us, serves us, and brings change. Umbrella for a better Uganda.
Hello Uganda, it's me, Becky. Today, let's learn about benefits of a good government.
Peace and security. Children go to school without fear. Businesses run safely.
Better healthcare. Hospitals have medicine. Mothers receive proper treatment.
Better healthcare, have medicine, receive prompt.
Quality education. Teachers are paid. Students get books. No child left behind. Jobs and opportunities. Youth get chances to work. Families can earn a living.
5. Good roads and services. Farmers transport produce easily. Faster emergency services.
6. Fair laws and justice. Everyone is treated equally. No corruption, no freedom.
Freedom to speak and participate. Citizens freely ideas and help build the nation.
When government is good, citizens are happy. We grow as a nation. That's why we must choose wisely.
Register, vote, and protect your future. Because voting is not just a right, it's a duty.